Hello, my sewing friends. How about we do the this or that tag?
Woohoo!
I'm Jen, and today in my sewing room, I'm gonna do the this or that tag. I was tagged by Michelle at Michelle Sews Again, and the tag was created by Julie at The Curated Curvy, and she's linked below. Her tag is linked below. She created this after she heard kind of a similar thing on the Love to Sew podcast. That's where I think she took the questions. But I gotta tell you, I love Julie because she's so creative. She will often make her own patterns. She uses alternative textiles like I do. And she always says that she makes them with her own two hands. I love that. There are 4 topics to this, and I'm gonna do them just like a lightning round kind of thing. If you wanna know why I said what I said, then ask me in the comments and I will be happy to let you know. Topic number 1 is sewing prep. Shopping new versus shopping your stash. Shopping my stash every time. Number 2, PDF versus paper patterns. I think what she means here is indie patterns versus big 4, and I am a big 4 girl all the way. Number 3, cutting versus tracing. Number 4, muslin or just go for it. Just go for it. I know the adjustments I need to make, so I do those, and I spend a lot of time after I'm done fixing it. So I just go for it. Topic number 2, fabric. In-store versus online shopping. In-store. Number 2, knits versus wovens. Wovens, no contest. Number 3, tumble dry versus hang to dry. Even though I have a lot of rayon in my wardrobe, I usually just tumble dry and then iron a lot. Number 4, rotary cutters versus scissors. Unless it's a big, long, straight line, scissors every time because I cut out my notches. Topic number 3, clothing construction. Number 1, follow the pattern or wing it. I look at the pictures, pretty much. Number 2, bias tape finish versus facings. Lining, if I can do it, lining. Number 3, serged seams versus French seams. I don't like to sew with the stuff you would need French seams to sew, to make it look nice. So, serged, every time, pretty much. Number 4, button fly versus zip fly. Number 5, button by hand sewn, or machine sewn. Machine sewn, I hate hand sewing. Number 6, fusible versus sew-in interfacing. Fusible. Number 7, snip as you go or all at once. As I go, I'd never be able to find all of the places and threads to snip, so as I go. And number 8, press as you go or all at once. The supreme number 1 rule of sewing is press as you go, and I do follow it. Topic number 4, sewing habits. Number 1, late night versus daytime seamstress. I'm a daytime because I get tired and then I make more mistakes than I otherwise would. So, Number 2, slow and steady versus frantic sewing. Well, I'm not a turtle and I'm not a rabbit, so I'm kind of in between. I get it done, but I don't rush. And number 3, tidy as you go or one big cleaning session. Well, you know, I don't sweep the floor and do all the things. I kind of tidy as I go. I put pattern pieces away as I use them, and you know, stuff doesn't stay piled on my table. And that is the tag. So I'm gonna tag some people down in the description box, and I guess that'll do it. I'm gonna leave you with my favorite scripture, which is do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.